These Stickman style psychological motivational videos are blowing up right now. Take a look at this channel. So this channel have been uploading videos using Stickman figures consistently, and one of their videos has 6.8 million views. A lot of their videos has been hitting millions and millions of views. We have another one here with 1 million views. We have 516k views, and once you go through, you'll see that their video are performing well and raking massive views. And one of the amazing thing is that this channel only started a few months ago, and they've only uploaded 52 videos, and with these videos they've crossed over 10 million views and have gotten more than 92,000 subscribers, all from uploading simple Stickman videos. And the good thing is that you can create and upload these videos all for free. Let me show you how. You're going to start by going over to the description of this video, and then you're going to see these video prompt sheets that I created for you. I'm going to paste it in the description of this video. If you want to send to you, type prompt and I will send it to you. So once you're here, you're going to see the topic prompt. You want to go ahead to copy the entire topic prompt and then head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Now once you paste in this prompt, ChatGPT will go ahead to generate 5 psychological, powerful, algorithm friendly motivation topics for you. We have the first topic: your brain is being hijacked and you didn't even notice. And if you go ahead, you will see other topic: you're not lazy, your mind is just exhausted. So you can go through and see if it is a topic that you would want to go for, and then if you like, just tell ChatGPT to generate more topics if you don't see what you like from the options that you have here. Now after you've generated these 5 different topics, go ahead and pick one. For this video, I'll be picking this first one: your brain is hijacked and you didn't even notice. Now after you've picked it, go back to the document and copy the second prompt. This is our video prompt. Once that is copied, head back to ChatGPT and paste it. Once you go through the script, you see the part that has insert your topic here. Go ahead and insert whatever topic that you copied from ChatGPT. After copying it, you can insert the number of scenes you want. If you want 5 scenes or more, go ahead and insert it in this part that has insert number of scenes. For this tutorial, I'll be going with 5 scenes. Once that is done, go ahead and hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, it is going to begin generating your video script scene by scene for your video. And over here you see that it has its visual, it has facial expression and emotion. You can see the internal thought, and it has voice over narration, and this is for each scenes of your video. Now once this is generated, we're going to go ahead and copy another prompt, which is the character prompt. Now over here at the character prompt, you're going to see the character name that I gave this character. I gave this character Bestie, so you can decide to give your character whatever name you choose to. So once you copy this character prompt, paste it on ChatGPT, and it will go ahead to generate a character prompt, which for me is Bestie. So you can change and put whatever name you want to go for. After generating your character prompt, you go ahead and generate your image to video prompt, which is very important. So you go ahead and paste in this prompt, hit on enter, and it will begin generating image to video prompt scene by scene for you. So after doing this, what you're going to do is to come ahead to copy the first image prompt for scene 1. Once that is copied, head over to Wix AI. Over the prompt section, paste in your prompt. Come over to aspect ratio to choosing your duration. I'll be going with the landscape mode. After that is done, you have to ensure that this is on nano banana precise reference, and then you hit on enter, and you can see that it has generated our first image prompt for us. We're going to do this for the rest of the scene. For scene 2, go ahead to copy the image prompt, head over to Wix AI, paste it, hit on enter. Do this for each images that you generated, and this way you're going to get different scenes that you can use for your videos. And after you've gotten and downloaded all your images, now it's time to animate them. To animate it, head over to Grok AI. One thing I love about Grok AI is that Grok AI lets you animate as much images as you want. Using the free plan, you can animate up to 10 to 20 images a day using the free plan. But if you want to create more, you can just use a different email to log in Grok, and in that way you have access to create more videos using Grok. So you're going to go ahead to Grok AI. Over at this part, you're going to upload the image for scene 1. Once the image is uploaded, head back to ChatGPT and copy the video/motion prompt for scene 1, and then you're going to paste it on the prompt section of Grok AI. Once you hit on enter, it is going to begin animating your video, and once it's done, this is the result you should get. So you're going to go ahead to upload the second scene of your video, copy the video/motion prompt and paste it over here at Grok AI. Once you hit on enter, it will begin generating your second scene for your video. Do this for every scene of your video until you finish generating all the clips for your video. Now, after you've generated all your scene, as you can see, I have my 5 scene here. You just go ahead to download them, and we're going to go over to the next step, which is creating voiceovers for this video. So once you're in here on Google AI Studio, once you're logged in, you're going to have an interface that looks like this. So head over to this part that has playground. Once you're in here, you're going to come down to the part that has the text to speech feature. Once you click on text to speech, you can select between the Gemini 2.5 Pro preview and the Gemini 2.5 Flash preview. So I'm going to be going with the Gemini 2.5 Flash preview, but whichever one you go with still works. Once you move over to the left hand side, you're going to see the mode of the speech. There is a single and a multiple speaker. Go ahead to generate a single speaker because this is a voiceover. Now, after doing this, head back to ChatGPT and then scroll to the part that has the voice narration. Go ahead to copy the voice narration for the first scene, paste it on the text bar of Gemini AI. Go ahead to copy the second narration, the second voice narration for the second scene, paste it on Gemini AI. Do this until you have all your voice narration in the text bar. Come over to the right hand side of Google AI Studio. You're going to see this part that has voices. The list of voices you can pick from. You can even click to review them so that you hear how the sound before going with any one of them. So go ahead and pick whichever one works for you. So once you've picked a voice, come over to this part that has run, hit on run, and then it's going to begin generating your voiceover. And our voiceover is done generating. Let's quickly hear what it sounds like.
Every night, you tell yourself the same lie. Just 5 more minutes. Your brain thinks it's getting rewards. Tiny hits of dopamine again and again. This isn't laziness. Your brain is being hijacked. The moment you see the trap, you can finally fight it. They want your attention, but your future needs it more.
Isn't this amazing? I just love the texture of the voice and how human it sounds. This is one of the reasons why I love Google AI Studio. So once you're done, come over to these 3 dots very close to the voiceover and hit on download to download your voiceover. We're going to move to the next step, which is editing these videos. So head over to any editing tool. In my case, I'm going to be using Flimnora. Put in all your clips, including the voiceover, and then you want to go ahead to arrange them in the timeline so that it follows the voiceover. And once you're done, you can go ahead to put in your voiceover just below, and then you set it so that it fits properly with the voiceover. At this point, you can decide to add transitions, and once you're done, you should have a result that looks like this.
Every night, you tell yourself the same lie. Just 5 more minutes. Your brain thinks it's getting rewards. Tiny hits of dopamine again and again. This isn't laziness. Your brain is being hijacked. The moment you see the trap, you can finally fight it. They want your attention, but your future needs it more.
So let me know what you think in the comment section and if you're going to be trying this, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!